Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you. Distinguished members of the press, I wish to read a communique issued at the end of our meeting of the PDP Governors held here today on Thursday, 23rd November 2023. The PDP Governors Forum held a meeting under my leadership at Bauchi State Governors Lodge on Thursday, 23rd November 2023. The meeting deliberated on various issues of interest and concern to the forum, People's Democratic Party and the country, and issued the following communique. The meeting reviewed the recent judgments of the Court of Appeal concerning governors of various states and noted the mixed outcomes. As a forum, we once again restate our overall confidence in the judiciary to do justice. We believe that the Supreme Court will do justice in the cases where we recorded temporary setbacks like Zamfara and Plateau states. The meeting also reviewed the off-season elections in Kogi, Bayelsa and Imo states. We support the decision of INEC to investigate the allegation of existence of pre-filled result sheets even before elections started in some places to ensure the confidence of the people in the electoral process. In the national economy, the meeting urgently requested the federal government to prioritize the introduction of a new revenue allocation formula that gives more money to the states and local governments to enable them meet their increased responsibilities and duties. Thank you very much. Any question? Thank you.
Question, please. Your Excellency,